Hi everyone, this is Tommy and welcome to the Upvotex tutorial series. In this course, I will walk you through every single element in the Upvotex admin panel. Start with the first two function tabs, which are users and comment. Everything will be step by step with voice narrations to ensure you understand and work more effectively with Upvotex. Okay, let's get started with the first one, which is users that contain 4 elements. Own users, new batches, and own batches. Start with own users. This is where you can manage all of the registered accounts that your user registered by their Google account or register directly with Upvotex. You can see which accounts are verified and which are not by sort in the filters. All the functions like setting role, add or block users to search and edit. Everything you can do it here with just a few clicks. New user is where you can instantly add a new users, then assign to them the relevant batches and role. The batches will be shown near the username whenever they post a comment. And of course, you can add more batches in the new batches tab by filling the name and color. To remove or edit any batches, you can go to the own batches tab to do it. As you get more users day by day, it is unavoidable to receive negative comments from different users, so it will be awesome if you have a place to manage them. As an admin, you can remove or edit any comment. And that is for the warming up, and we will discover more in the next videos. Comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and click to the subscribe button to receive more practical videos from Upvotex. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next videos.